Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphothi lezi ndaba ungakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lithi laphana-ke kushubile-ke laphana-ke kwi-M_K-ke laphana-ke abe-Youth League bekhala ngokuthi-ke khona-ke abantu-ke ababavimbelayo ukuthi-ke babone-ke u-president we-M_K-ke laphana-ke ubaba uNxamalala-ke uJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke abaholi-ke bayo-ke Youth League bebesebenza-ke ividiyo-ke laphana-ke be-address-a-ke yonke-ke le ndaba le, kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi-ke uyezwa ngami kuphela nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzwele wena ukuthi-ke kuthiwani-ke. Mina ngicela laphana ukuthi-ke masuzwile-ke le vidiyo yonke nama-comment section-ke ufoshe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bezocindezela nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke esiy'fakayo kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphothi-ke lezi ndaba ungawenza njengamanje ukuthi ngabe ucindezela ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le vidiyo-ke awuyithokozele.
Commanders morning. This is Commander Kazuzu from the Youth League. We are here at the Cedarwood Hotel. La kade kuhleli khona umhlangano we-National High Command. Besize la kuzoletha izikhalazo zethu njengabantu abasha kwi-Youth League. Sifike izolo ngomhla ka-26 sizobona ubaba. Salala la kwathiwa sombona namhlanje ubaba. But kwagcina kungenzakalanga. Wakhishwa instruction uMagasela Mzobe, u-head of president, ukuthi aka-arrange meeting nathi nobaba. Siqeda umfonela manje wathi yena asikhulume noSisnoma. Sisnoma sakhuluma naye wathi asiphinde sikhulume ngoSunday ukuze senze i-appointment. So siyazama-ke ukumbona ubaba, siyathemba sogcina simbonile. Siyazi ukuthi akuthina sodwa sinaleyo nkinga. Baningi abanenkinga ungamboni ubaba emkhontweni uma beneyikhalazo. But sizoqhubeka siphikelele siye phambili until izikhalazo zethu zizwakele njengabantu abasebenzile basebenzela umkhonto from day one, sacrifice yonke into sisebenzela le organization. Siyafisa ukuthi-ke izikhalazo zethu zizwakale.
Thank you, comrades. My name is Thapelo Maisha. We are here also at Cedar Hotel. And comrades, we have secured a meeting with Ubaba, and they are promising us that we will meet Ubaba soon. Thank you, comrades.
Amandla comrade, my name is Thabo Mangfe. We are here at the Cedar Hotel as well. So we have been promised that before Monday, Sizombon Ubaba, then Sizon update our comrades on a way forward to what must happen. But we are hoping that before Monday, Sizabe stays in Ubaba, Sisho ikhalazo zethu as young people of this country. Amandla comrades.
Salute.